Hello, good morning. So let's start with our Windows Form application. Okay. Just I will show from the beginning how to do that. Yesterday I have shown. Again, one more time I will show. Then after that we'll see one example on it. So how to start? Create new project. Yes, people tell me now. Here. Tell me. Languages. C#. Yes, platform. Windows. And project type will be yes. Any guess? Desktop. So here you need to select this one. Now click on next. Create. This is what we have seen in our yesterday class as introduction part. Okay, so this is how the form will look like. So here we can increase or decrease the form size. Once the form size fixed, so when we are running the application, we cannot change the form size. So here, when we are working with this Windows Form application, so the most important part here is toolbox. So toolbox either you can get here. Sometimes if it is not there, then you can go to the view. Here you can find toolbox. Okay, so here we have different types of controls available in our Windows toolbox. So here see all Windows Form, common controls. Okay, containers, menu and toolbars, data, and what else? Pointer and something, printing, dialogues, WFF related. But we need only this one. This is enough for us. Okay. Here we have different controls are available. So now what I will do, the important things I will explain, and remaining things we'll see that in ASP.NET, like text box syntaxes and all. Okay. See now here we have like checkbox, button, combo box. Combo box means drop down list. Okay. So here a label, all these things are important for us. Okay. So for anything, so we'll see some of the important properties for some controls. So first we'll go for label. So how can we rename label now? Right click, properties. Then what will happen here? We have a property called text property. Okay. This text property is important in terms of, for identifying some particular controller, we'll keep this one. So username. Then what will happen? Just see, it got changed. Okay. After that, the most important thing here is name. So name. So I have one more label. And similarly, I will take some text boxes here. Text box 1, text box 2. Okay. And I will take one more text box here. Okay. I will take. So now, for example, see, I can move this username here. I can move this label to here. So suddenly what happened, if someone got changed something, if someone got changed the position of the particular control, then what is happening? It is simply dragging and dropping there, and it is simply moving there. Now, how people will understand this is username and this is password? So that's the reason we have a property called here name. Okay. This name, what is this name means? Identity. So this is like your university roll number. See, for example, in a class, for suppose the first name is that Ajit. So we have we have one Ajit with surname some A, and we have one more Ajit with surname A. Now what happened? So both Ajits are in same class, same section. Okay. Now the university exams came. This Ajit always maintain 100% attendance, and he used to read everything. Everything. So so this Ajit, see, he will maintain 30% of attendance. Okay. You know, he will come to that college for enjoyment, and he will go home. I mean, so 30%, he never come to college daily. So now people tell me, who will get better percentage here? This Ajit, he is 1 and he is 2. Tell me, 1 or 2? So people are sleeping, what? No one is responding. Ajit, what you will say? So which kind of person you are, 1 or 2? You are 1? Yeah, I also agree for that. Why? Because you never miss the class. Okay, that's cool. Fine. But what happened? The university exams came. Okay. So now there is no roll number concept or something, or some exams happen. So people see here, this Ajit wrote all the questions, and he is expecting 100 marks, and this Ajit have given the white paper. He did not wrote even a single line on that paper. Now the marks came, and this guy got 100%, 100 marks, and this guy got some 10 marks. And now this Ajit, second Ajit is saying, see, you people changed the paper. So whatever you are, see, because both are having same Ajit, same surname, everything same. So this Ajit is second Ajit is saying, so mine is 100 marks and that guy's marks is 10 marks. Okay. Uh, because they don't have any JNT roll number, and they don't have anything. So people started thinking of who got 100 and who got 10 marks. Okay. That's the reason they have a concept called roll number. So what will happen? this roll number is unique. No two persons can have same roll number, right? So that's the reason, that is a unique field. And one person will get one roll number and one person will get another roll number, but no two persons can get the same roll number, right? But this Ajit have some other plans. Can someone guess what is that some other plan? He will write his roll number in his exam. So now what will happen? Both will have both will enter the same roll number. Both will fail. Okay, I'm just kidding. Okay, so finally, what happened here? Because of this roll number, we are identifying which Ajit got 100% and which Ajit got 10 marks. Okay, so people see here how our roll number is working. Similarly, our name also will work like that. Text box 1. So, sir, what is this text box 1? This is ID. Sir, because you kept this one as first one, that's why it is text box 1. See, now I will change the place here. Now I will right click here and I will just go to properties and I will check here. What is the ID here? Is that changed? No. Okay. So whenever you are creating one text box, some ID will be generated for that. So that ID is this one. So, sir, can I change this ID? Yes, you can change the ID, and as per your requirement, you can change it. Okay, that's it. So now this is what different IDs available in our. So this is what the name property. Okay, so I will explain different properties here. Now, people see here. So similarly, we will write. Oh. We will keep only 2. Oh my God. Okay. So people see here. First, I will explain, and after that, we'll go for examples. Okay. Examples. Okay. This is label 2, right? We'll make it password. Okay. And I will take one button here. We'll take one button here. Okay. So, and we'll make it as submit. Submit. Okay. So I will take one more text box. This one I will keep it as address. Are you guys able to hear me? No one is speaking, no one is responding. What happened? So we will complete our C# in 1 week, guys. So Vimaset, Siva, Suhasini, Soumya, Dibiranjan Mahanti. So this is so much important concept. So guys, so mostly within 1 week from today, we are going to complete our C# at 6 to 7. So we'll start with our MVC. Okay. Okay. So same class, same timings and all. And for our initial MVC, first 4 or 5 classes will be demo, and those in the demos, I will I will discuss a few important concepts of our ASP.NET. What all things we can do with the ASP.NET and all. We'll see that, and also we'll see some important concepts like interface. The type of concepts also we'll discuss once. Okay, so You people, I mean, don't see because they are demos. Sir, Windows Form is last topic. Yes, in C Sharp it's a last topic only. Okay, so that's the reason. So I mean, so because they are demos or something, sir, can we miss? See, you people, I mean, so from like from other batch students or something, they will come and join there. Okay, so that's the reason I'm asking you guys. Just don't miss those classes. It's like you people can utilize that opportunity as for revision purpose and all. Okay, fine. So now, okay, so don't miss the classes, and I hope if anyone have any questions on this fee structure and all, you can connect with our admin Hari Prasad. I already spoke with him, so you can ask him in the group also. He's there in that group, or or you can message him. He will respond if he's busy. If he's not responding something, you can tell me that, and I will speak with him and I will ask him to respond. Okay, fine. So now, okay, fine. This is fine. So now what I will do, okay. So now, so see, this is what. So now if I double click here, so sir, okay, fine. We don't write anything now for now. So we'll see what are different types and all, and we'll see. So I'm running my application. Like you can, how you are running your console application, you can run the same man. Okay. See, we need to get all the information now. So, after that, I will give the notes. Okay. So first username I'm writing. So how the username format will be some test 123 like this only. Now I will try to enter password here, but we people are able to see the password. Is that correct format now? No, right? So we need to change that to password format. Sir, how we can change that to password? We'll do that now. And address. See, address I'm entering here one line only. What will happen if I enter? See, when I'm pressing enter, it is not working. So how can we do that? Now let's see that. Okay. So now right click on this password text box, properties. Now here, if you come down, this one, use system password care. Just make it true. That's it. The problem with this Windows Forms is, you know, um, in ASP.NET that will be different, and here that will be different. That's the reason. Okay, but fine. So now address. Right click on it. Just click on properties. Here, okay, the Sri Ram Navami. So people are celebrating. Okay, so if people see here, somewhere multi-line, people found that somewhere. Yeah, this one. So just make it true. Okay, now save that. We'll see the magic. Now what will happen? Our password will act like a password field. So Shiva, only 1 hour for us. 7. So only you people and me only wake up at this time, right? So you can celebrate after 7. So, but see, I have office today, and I have one more class today at 7:30 to 9 with your friends. Okay, now people say here, I'm entering username. Okay, so now I will enter the password. See, now are we guys able to see the password what we entered here? No, right? See, that's the reason. Now address. So I will enter Hyderabad. I will press enter now. See, it moved to next line. Okay, Amirpet, Telangana. Okay, so see, it is moving. Okay, so if you, I'm just using my up arrow, down arrow, and I'm able to move that to that particular point. So is this clear? So this is how we can go for multi-line. Okay, so people got it now. So similarly, we have different some more properties available here. So I will simply go from the beginning. Whatever the important one, I will tell. Whatever we need. Okay. Name. So anyway, people know that. So if you want to change the text box or something, see this is back color. Okay. Border style. If you want to change something, then you can change it. Okay. So cursor dark enable font. See if you want to if you want to change the you know font style or something, then you can go like this. Okay. And also four color. So this is the text which color you want to accept or something. Okay. And one more, we have max size. See, we have two things, max size. So for example, if it is a phone number or something, so if you want to give some 0 comma 10, then what will happen, it will accept up to 10 digits only. No, sorry, max length is that one. So if you give max length as 10, so we cannot enter more than 10 digits. Okay, or 10 characters, whatever. Max size means, so like see for example, if you want, if some price is there 0 to 100 rupees or something, so if you keep that max size, then it will allow us for what, only that thing only. And one more, see for example here, read only. So if I keep this one as true, then what will happen, so we cannot enter any value in the text box. Okay. So that is what. So for example, for that read only, if I enter some dummy text, then what will happen? That value will come here. Okay. So right. So here, because we are getting this text color has different color. Why? Any guess why it is? Because we changed the four color here. Here, this one. Okay. And see what we made it. So here somewhere we made what, read only true here. That's the reason. See now people see here, we cannot enter any text now. See, I'm unable to. So this is exact original form. Okay. Okay, but I can enter something here because we changed the properties for what? Only this one. We did not change anything to this one. That's the reason that read only and text got appended here. So got it? Now people tell me any questions. Yeah. If you have any questions, I will answer. I will explain again, or else I will just give these notes now. Is this clear for everyone? Yeah, okay. Okay, then I will give the notes for that. Oh. Okay. So now, uh, see, for example, if you want to show, okay, so just note down label. Uh, yeah, what is your exact requirement, Bharati? Why? Because so when we are using .NET, obviously we will use mostly uh, you know uh, this SQL only most of the time. So we'll have drop down also. Okay, so okay, so similar to means, see, that is Windows application and this is desktop application, and that is web application ASP.NET. We can implement web application using ASP.NET, but Windows application we can implement what? Only desktop application. That's the difference. Okay, so I'm just giving the text. Okay. Okay, so this is what control related. Some important properties also we'll see for that. I'll just give now. So first thing, for label, what are important properties? Tell me. Let's see here. The first one is what? Text. So text is what here? So if you want to give some name to the label, then we'll go for text. Okay. We'll do one thing. We'll write common properties later. So multi-line, max-line. Okay. So just note down this one. So label. Label is what? Label control will act like a caption for other controls. Simple. So here, this is a text box and this is a text box and this is a text box. So if you don't have this one, then what will happen? If you don't have this one, then what we will think like, okay, because it's running. Okay. Okay. If we delete this one, now people don't know what it is, right? So, but when I keep username label here, then people will think like, oh, this is what username text box. Okay, this is what password text box. So this is what address text box. So that's the importance of label. So it will give like a caption to any user control. Okay, so got it. So this is what called as username. So text box. Text box is of three types. One is single line, multi-line, and password. So single line means our normal password only. Multi-line means what? For address and all. So if you want to enter more than one line or something, then we'll go for multi-line password format. So that's what we have seen now. So how we will do all these things now, I will tell. So before that, just note down. So first one, single line is common password. So if you want to make a text box as password, then we need to use which property? This one, password char, true or false. See this one, use system password char. Use system password password char. So we can make it true or false. Okay, is that clear, guys? And similarly, how you can make it multi-line true or false? Here you have a property called multi-line only. Here, this one. Okay, so if you keep that multi-line as true or false, this window form, the problem here is, see, like this you can increase. Okay, but see, for this text box we cannot increase. We can we can do like this, but we cannot increase the size. Okay, okay, Ajit, got it? So how we can increase? Simple, we can do like this. For multi-line we can do, but for normal text box we cannot. So we can make like this, but we cannot increase the bottom size. Okay, okay, so where are we? So multi-line. So what is the property for multi-line? Tell me. We have a property called multi-line only. Multi-line, true or false? What is this one? Property. Okay, got it? So similarly, max length. So we can max length property we have, we can do that. But fine. So now just note down this label and text box. I will give the common properties like ID, name, and all. So what is the purpose of label? It will act like a caption for any control. Okay, different properties in Windows forms. Different controls. We have few more also. I will give them also, but don't afraid by saying theory or something. See, this is nice. So this will be useful for you guys in MVC, ASP.NET, .NET Core, Web API, everywhere. Whatever you are writing, all those things will, they will be used. But maybe some naming convention or something like they are different, but everything is same. Okay, guys, clear? Any questions on Windows Forms? So these are all most important things. So, this will be useful not only in Windows Forms, that will be used in ASP.NET. So our very next topic is ASP.NET and MVC. So it's like, this is like a trailer for them. So we'll see some examples on Windows Forms, and that ADB.NET program will do that with our Windows Form application, and class library program we'll do with the Windows Form application. We'll see so many examples on ASP.NET for next 4 5 days. Okay, if you get some idea on this Windows Forms and all, then what will happen? You people will get more clarity on this one also. So can I move on? What? Okay. Okay, then I'm just moving down. See, up to here only. Later, I will give the common properties. So, but anyway, next one we'll give example only. Why? Because lot of theory, people will think it's boring or something like no. Okay, maybe tomorrow we'll see some 3-4 examples with text box, buttons, and all. Okay, and day after tomorrow we will see ADO.NET example, and after that I will give one task for you guys. Okay, so we'll see how you people will do that and all, and the next day I will give answer for that. Okay. Okay, done. Up to that max length. Yes, you people are so dull nowadays. I don't know for what reason. So, see, this is the last topic, and we don't have much theory. So after this, so we don't have that much theory, right? So anyway, if you note down, so it's up to your interest. Some people will write, and some people will take screenshot. You know, so only checkbox and read a button. Anyway, after our text box examples, we'll see them. Okay, done. So everyone done. Okay, fine. Thanks all for joining. We'll meet tomorrow. We'll see some 3-4 examples tomorrow. We'll see example with the class library, and we'll see example with ADO.NET, and we'll see normal Windows Form application related and everything we'll see. So tomorrow we'll see multiple examples on it, and the day after tomorrow we'll see multiple examples. After that we'll give some example on checkbox also. So once checkbox is done, we'll see other examples. Okay, so fine. So thanks all for joining. We'll meet tomorrow.